In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account for your child in 2025. Creating a Google account for your child is not only a way to ensure they enjoy some of the features of Google's ecosystem, but it also allows you to maintain some level of control and supervision over their digital footprint. So, let's walk through the steps to get this done efficiently. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Google sign-in page. This is your starting point for setting up any type of Google account. Next, look for an option that says Create Account. This will give you a couple of choices, and you'll want to select the option that mentions For My Child. This step is crucial as it ensures the account you're creating is tailored for a young user with parental controls and privacy settings in mind. Once you've selected For My Child, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Click on Yes, Continue. This action shows that you understand you're about to create an account specifically designed for minors, which will provide you with additional tools to manage their activities. Now, you'll need to enter your child's name. It's important to input this information correctly as it will be tied to their account profile. After entering their name, click Next to advance to the next stage. You'll then be prompted to enter your child's birth date. Along with the birth date, you also need to specify their gender. This information helps with personalizing the Google services they'll use. After inputting the birth date and gender, move forward by clicking Next again. At this point, you'll need to decide on a Gmail address for your child. You have the choice of selecting one from the options suggested by Google or creating an entirely new one. This email becomes their main identification within the Google ecosystem, so choose wisely. After deciding on an email, it's time to set up a password. Enter a strong, secure password and make sure to confirm it by typing it again. A tip here is to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once that's done, click Next again. Now, inputting your phone number acts as an additional security layer. Google will use it to send a verification code to ensure the account's integrity. Click Next to receive this verification code. After receiving the verification code via text, follow the on-screen instructions to verify the number. Finally, follow the remaining prompts to complete setting up the account. This might include agreeing to Google's terms and conditions or setting up additional security measures. And just like that, you've created a Google account for your child, opening up a world of useful tools and applications while keeping their online experience safe and monitored. Thank you for watching, and good luck as your child embarks on their digital journey.